Hi folks, and welcome to Hemingway's Tractor. I decided to do a bit of a follow-up video to our Baumalight 1P24 stump grinders after we had such technical difficulties with our camera equipment on the previous video. This one hopefully we'll be able to take a look at what the stump is when we start, how it looks as we're going along, digging down into the root system, and then what it basically looks like after the stump is down to the level that we want it to be at. This one we're going to go just a little bit below surface. Again, we're right next to another tree. I don't want to get into the root system. Also, there are several rocks, as you can see, at the base of the tree that is still alive. We really don't want to get into those rocks, and hopefully we don't find one any closer to this stump than is already there. So let's get going and see how things work with this one today, and hopefully it'll be a little bit more informative than the previous video. Okay, as you can see, that's below grade level. I am going to do a couple more passes to the bottom part of the screen here, this section of the stump. It's still up a little bit high. The rest of it's fairly even across that. I'm going to just shave a couple more inches off of that. There is a root coming out heading towards the camera, so I'm trying to get that as well. But for the most part, it's below grade. Shouldn't have any issues. If something pops up in the future, I can always just shave it off again. But with the way it is now, I can certainly get my mower over it without any problem, and that was the biggest issue that I had to deal with. So let's go ahead and shave a little bit more off of that bottom section of the stump, and we'll be done. Fairly flat, should be well below grade. Get some dirt back over that, and shouldn't have any issues in the future mowing it. Thanks again for stopping by to Hemingway's Tractor.